I'm Chris, I like to paint things, and today I'm going to teach you how I paint green orc skin using a model that I sculpted some green stuff work on. I start all of my orcs with an overbrush of 2 metallics because I like to think that they got metal skulls. The basis for this is a trio of green to yellow highlights, so we do a base coat of a very dark camo green, and then 2 thin coats of Citadel Moot Green or any super vibrant green. 2 thin coats of this is important for solid coverage. After our 2 thin coats, we use our secret sauce, Coelia Green shade. This fills in all the crevices, gives us a nice saturated blue in all of our shadows. Let that bad boy dry, and then do another base coat using Moot Green. We go over all the major muscle groups, leaving all of the recesses still blue, and slowly work in some of that cyber yellow or any sort of yellow-green, covering less and less until we're highlighting with just our yellow-green. Do this on all the major muscle groups that matter, and you end up with an awesome green-skinned orc.